So once again, we're back at this Toyota 4Runner. I got this wonderful 4Runner over here, right? That has a problem starting. Where did I put the key? Here's the key. Let's not lose this. We're gonna talk about that in a second. And here's the key. So we crank it. Listen to that bad boy. I mean, like, you can hear it. It's cranking nice and solid. It kind of wants to start, right? So what did I do here? Is I unplugged the fuel filter, and this is what came out. So now, what we'll do is, we'll do this again just so that you can see for yourself what's going on here. And what happens when I turn the key? I have an extra set of hands to do this. Will this work? So that's looking much better. Much better. Look at that. Much better. This is what I was getting originally. Look at that. Compare those two. I wonder if she'll start now. It still looks like there's some shit floating in there, though. Yeah. See all that? There's something in there. There's definitely something in this tank. You see that? But at least it's not looking like that anymore.